G'day guys, welcome to SRS Workshop. Today I'm just going to show you around on what we've got going on. We've just been building some cool cars and stuff lately, and come for a walk, I'll show you what's going on. Lately we've just been doing a lot of stainless work. We've been working on this S14 here for one of the customers. It's copping a fully built motor, fully finished stainless exhaust system. Done here is we've made V-band ends on each end so our customer can swap out exhausts and whatnot. So if he wants a quieter system, he can swap out and run the muffler version, or he can have a straight through. Here we have another one of our cars. It's a Type X 180 copping S14 VE. We've been working on the intercooler piping here, get ready to go to paint. We've shaved all the engine bay and whatnot to give it a cleaner look and just a better overall visual outcome. We've got here one of the washer bottles we've made up. It'll tuck up into this corner here, ghost mounted so you can't see any mounts and whatnot. And then we've got another catch can going in over that side, and it just gives it a clean look and whatnot. And then we've got to do an air filter and box and stuff in that corner. All aluminium work that it's lighter, better performance, etc. Over here we've got Justin's car, one of our other customers. It's an R33. It's got a built 2530 in it. We've just done all the fabrication plumbing on it. As you can see, we're chasing an OEM sort of factory look with it all legal and stuff, so no trouble with the police. I've made up the catch can and air box, it's all in one. Yeah, we've got our little washer bottle over here. Everything's tucked away nicely. It's going to be pushing a good horsepower number. They all are. Same deal with the intercooler and whatnot. Just fabbed up all the plumbing work on it. Got it all painted black so it comes up with a nicer finish. Thanks for tuning in to the SRS Workshop tour. And like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.